Welcome to All Things Unrelated. Be different. Do you have this issue too, where you try so hard to try and close these protein powder bags? No matter which way you do it, they just will not close. You try the slide method, you try to inchworm it, and that doesn't work either. And you just get super frustrated because it says resealable, but it really isn't. Check out these food storage containers by Chef's Path. They come with labels, 4 of the containers with lids, capacity of 13.5 cups, and the dimensions of 12 by 4 by 6 inches. They are made out of a hard plastic with a silicone seal in the top, with a flip top locking mechanism, and you can use them for dry or wet foods, but I recommend using them only for dry, and we'll do a water test at the end. You can also refrigerate or freeze them. Now I'll show you a capacity test with my Athlean X protein powder. This is a full bag of protein, chocolate coconut of 30 grams with about 8.28 cups. A very fine powder, but it all fit with the scoop as well. And please support my channel, like and subscribe. And now the leak test I mentioned in the beginning. I filled the container with water and locked the lid, turned it upside down, and you can see water still does leak out of it. So that's why I recommend only using these for dry food. You can see these are super easy to clean. You just need some soap, water, and a sponge to clean the container, and then you can take the top apart if you need to. And when you're reassembling it, just make sure you properly align the silicone to the top. Add the spring in, compress it, reattach the lever, and you're good to go. And if you're in the market for a new blender, make sure you check out that Ninja blender. It's pretty good for making delicious protein shakes. All of the product links are in the description, and thanks for watching All Things Unrelated. Goodbye now.